Welcome to June's featured article. I'm Dory Suka, founder of InSPAration Management, and this month's featured article is all about making business choices now that will lead to success. You see, many business owners are scrambling now, not knowing what to do or who to go to for even advice. So in this article, you will find some answers to help you get started in the right direction and relaunch your business successfully. So let's start first with how you actually got here. You might be in group 1. You have a smart business structure with financial reserve fund to help you navigate for at least 6 months. So even though you may not be making as much money as you were making before, you're still going to be okay. That's good, right? Then you could be in group number 2. Now this group don't have a financial reserve due to poor business structure. So you were operating with the bare minimum, and now because of the coronavirus disruption, you are forced to make drastic decisions and be faced with tough times ahead. The question is, will group 2 survive? And the good news is they can, but only if they change their business model. The point is, what can you do now? So the following points will ensure relaunching properly and successfully. So either continue watching or read on. So here are the choices that we make that led us to where we are now. So how did number 1 group and the number 2 group get to where they are right now? They got here by the choices that they made. So you see, it's not due to the coronavirus disruption alone that group 2 is struggling. The situation that they are in now is due to bad choices or lack of the right choices they've made like a year ago, or even 2 years ago, or 3 years ago. So moving forward, making the right choices for your business is definitely should be a top priority. The right choices that will get you closer to achieving your goals. So this is not the time to be wasting it. This is not a good time to be wasting time trying to figure out things all by yourself. Don't self-medicate. Google is not your friend. You can spend hours and days researching for the right choices, and you get stuck in that mode instead of taking appropriate action to actually help you succeed. So the second step is predictable success. What does predictable success really mean? Predictable success is when you structure your business in a way where you are predicting positive outcome and success. So for example, in group 1, the ones with the cash reserves, the healthy businesses, implemented predictable success. What does predictable success look like? Well, it's full of strategies, and I'm gonna name them for you. 1 is you must have proper company vision and structure, and you must be relevant for what is important now. 2, focus on lead generation and effective marketing strategies. 3, performance-based compensation model in place and ready to go. 4, pricing your treatments and your products for profit. Remember, you are not a non-profit company or organization. And 5, you have hundreds of members with reoccurring revenue model. That would be amazing, wouldn't it? Just imagine waking up every morning and seeing that revenue coming in. 6, investment in training and development for you and the team, right? So if group 2 had just focused on these 6 predictable successes that we just named, they would not be where they are right now. But as I said, There is hope. If mastermind members are able to be in group 1 and still be profitable even now, so can you. So start now by implementing predictable success. We have experienced an increase in membership enrollments due to the fact that business owners like yourself want to save their businesses and make the necessary changes to ensure their profitability and success. The best way to achieve this is by implementing predictable action. So start right now. Number 3, believe in your vision and abilities, yours and your team's. So you see, your role as a leader is to come up with the vision. Ask yourself, what do you really want your business to be like? Envision it. Bring it forth. Bring your desires forth. Clarify them and share them with your team. The goal is to gain buy-in from the team so everyone can work together toward one common goal and success. So if you're having difficulty coming up with your vision, I don't want you to stop. Reach out to a mentor. Brainstorm with someone who has your best interest. You don't have to be alone. Start dreaming of a perfect business. What do you want to be known for as an expert? What inspires you? Watch this interview I did with 5 mastermind members as they shared how they are still succeeding now, and start dreaming big. Number 4, not just any action. The right action makes all the difference in the world. Action for what might have worked before may not necessarily work moving forward. Now is the time to apply proven effective actions that lead to success. So I want to share with you a quick little story from the book gathering that we have been doing. Have you been joining us for the book gathering? It's an amazing event that we're doing every Friday where we take a book and go over it. So the first book gathering was my own book, right? How to Make Millions with Your Medical Spa. And now we're actually doing Think and Grow Rich. And the chapter we did last week was about desire. And in that chapter, Napoleon Hill tells a story about Mary Kay Ash. Of course, you know Mary Kay, right? Unless you're very young, you may not, but she was very well known for her makeup. So in that book, he had a story about how when Mary Kay first started, she was not doing too well, and she almost gave up. She was just ready to throw in the towel and say, oh, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing very well here. So she could not figure it out. Then one day, right before she was ready to throw in the towel, she decided to go to a seminar. So after that seminar, her life was never the same again. So individuals sometimes feel insignificant and doubt they can really make a difference in the world. Well, believe me, one person can. This was a quote that she actually had in her book. And needless to say that Mary Kay Ash built an empire. Her products are sold in over 40 different countries. So she definitely reached the highest level of success. And if she can do that by investing in herself and attending just one seminar, could you imagine what you can do? It'll be amazing. So the solution is really right in front of you. You are reading this article, or you might be watching it, and the person that actually wrote this for you is a leading expert, right? I wrote books about how to make millions with your medical spa. So all you have to do is follow the model that we teach and see how our mastermind members actually were able to achieve these results. And you too can be in group 1. That's really what we want. We all want to be in that group 1. So you see, everyone needs help. It's okay to ask for help. Give yourself permission to work smarter, work with a purpose, and invest in yourself and in your education. You want to be more productive and reach your goals the fastest way possible. And that's what all the educational tools that we provide are all geared to help you achieve. As a matter of fact, I want you to listen to Linda, who is in Group 1. You would love to be in her shoes. She was with me on a webinar, and Linda and her company and her daughter Brianna are still profitable even now. So you have to listen to this and check it out. And again, if they can do it, so can you. So just so you know, we are taking the Leap Ahead seminar virtually. So it's going to start in July, and I would love for you to attend. And who knows, just like Mary Kay Ash, who changed her life with one seminar, maybe that could be you. You could do the same thing. So learn more on how to gain that successful blueprint on the Leap Ahead page on InSPArationManagement.com. So I hope to see you at the next Leap Ahead, so I can arm you with the blueprint to achieve the greatest success I know you can achieve. So stay tuned for the bright idea, and until next time, stay inspired.